Namaskar, I am Ashok Kumar Gupta, Training Associate Chemistry at ZIT Bhubaneswar. I am here with the third video lesson on crystal, lattice and unit cell. Topic of Chemistry Class 12, Unit 1, Solid State. I have already produced two video lessons on this unit. Video 1 was on topic Characteristics of Solids, Crystalline and Amorphous Solids. Video 2 was on topic Classification of Solids. I hope you might have watched these videos. If not, you may go to these videos. Their links are given in the description box. Before I start discussion, please keep your notebook, pen and pencil along with you. Kindly follow the instructions given during video for your optimum academic benefit. Make the worksheet as shown on the video screen in your notebook. While watching the video, you are supposed to complete the worksheets also. As per your pace, you can pause and play the video. Note down the recapitulation points in your notebook for revision in future as well as for preparation for tests and examinations. Now let us look at what are the worksheets. Worksheet number 1 is to be filled in the blanks. This is number 1, crystal lattice is defined as. So note down this worksheet in your notebook. Worksheet number 2, this is a diagram you have to label. You can label this diagram during watching the video also. Worksheet number 3 is also based on labeling the diagram.
Crystal lattices and unit cells. Consider a crystal. We know that the main characteristic of crystal solids is its regular and repeating pattern of constituent particles. Now, when we replace these particles with representative points, a crystal lattice is obtained. Crystal lattice is defined as the three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles, represented diagrammatically such that each particle is depicted as a point. Such an arrangement is known as crystal lattice. There are 14 possible three-dimensional lattices known to us. These lattices are named after the French mathematician who discovered it. So they are named as Bravais lattices. In addition to simple lattices for other systems, it is observed that there are 14 different types of space lattices. These are known as 14 Bravais lattices. These lattices were given name after the French mathematician who first described them. Each point lattice is called lattice point or lattice site. Each point in a crystal lattice represents one constituent particle, which may be an atom, a molecule or an ion. Lattice points are joined together by straight line to bring out the geometry of a crystal lattice. If we observe the crystal lattice, we can notice that there is a small group of lattice points that repeat itself again and again to form an entire crystal lattice. This small group of lattice points is known as unit cell. Thus, unit cell is the smallest portion of a crystal lattice which, when repeated in different directions, will generate the entire lattice. A unit cell is represented by three edges A, B and C represented along X, Y and Z axis of a three-dimensional entity, and these edges may or may not be mutually perpendicular to each other. When these edges join, they form certain angles. They are represented as alpha, beta and gamma. The angle between edges B and C is alpha. The angle between edges A and C is beta, and the angle between edges A and B is gamma. Thus, a unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters: ages A, B and C, and angles alpha, beta and gamma.
Recapitulation: crystal lattice, a regular three-dimensional arrangement of points in space is called crystal lattice. Characteristics of a crystal lattice: each point in a crystal is called lattice point or lattice site. Each point in a crystal lattice represents one constituent particle, an atom, a molecule, or an ion. The lattice points are joined by straight lines to bring out the geometry of the lattice. Unit cell is the smallest portion of a crystal lattice, which when repeated in three-dimensional direction generates the entire lattice. A unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters: ages A, B and C, and angles alpha, beta and gamma. Angle alpha is between B and C is, angle beta is between A and C is, and angle gamma is between A and B is. Now check your worksheet. The answer of the worksheet is given here. Crystal lattice is defined as the three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles. Question number 2. There are 14 possible three-dimensional lattices known to us, and they are named as Bravais lattices. Each point in a crystal lattice is called lattice point or lattice site. Each point in a crystal lattice represents an atom, molecule or ion. The answer of worksheet number 2 is given here. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this angle is alpha, this angle is beta, this angle is gamma. The answer of worksheet number 3, this part is unit cell. This part is unit cell, and this is age of the unit cell, and this is the lattice point or lattice site. For practice, you have to solve these problems. Write these answers in your notebook. Define the following terms: number 1, space lattice; number 2, unit cell; and number 3, crystal lattice. Thank you for your keen interest in learning. Kindly like, share and subscribe if you are benefited by this video. In case of any doubt or clarification, please write in the comment box. My phone number is 9038396543. Thank you once again. My best wishes for your academic success. Thank you.